Okay, let's take a look at something called text to columns. What exactly is text to columns? Well, frankly, it kind of does exactly what the name implies. It will take your text and divide it into separate columns. People may ask, why in the world would you do this? Well, the general rule of thumb is that when you work with text, you want to break it down into its smallest possible pieces. And sadly, sometimes people send you or you import text in one big chunk, and you got to break it apart to work with it. Let's see how it's done. In this case, it looks like somebody gave us a list of people's names, cities, and states, and what we want to do is break it apart further so we can work with the text. So we'll start by selecting our text, then go to the Data tab, and then we want to look for where it says Text to Columns. Click that, and this nifty little wizard will open up. This wizard will walk you through the subdividing of your text. So let's go ahead and click on where it says Next, and here's where the fun starts. What the wizard is doing is it's looking for convenient breakpoints. Those convenient breakpoints are often tabs, semicolons, comma, spaces, or something else. What you want to do is let the wizard know what the separator is or which one you're trying to use, and Excel will do its best to parse out the text. If we study our list, it stands to reason that we want to try to separate our list at the spaces and the commas. Phrased differently, from a logical perspective, it seems like the best move would be to break things down into the first name, last name, city, and state. So let's let Excel know that we are working with commas and spaces in our list, and let's see what it gives us. As we scroll through here, it looks like everything has been separated out real nice and neat, so we'll go ahead and click on Next. Without getting too deep into it, we'll accept the defaults that Excel gives us, and then where it says Destination, let's click this cell right here. Click Finish. And voila, there we go. A nice, neat, separated list. Awesome. So to wrap this up, please recognize that the text to columns is not a cure-all. It's not 100% reliable in every instance. However, it will do the bulk of the heavy lifting for you, so it's worth giving it a try. Just recognize every now and then you may have to massage the results a little bit to get it to be what you want, but other than that, it's actually pretty cool. And that'll do it for this lesson. We'll see you in the next one.